I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making sure the case and AirPods have juice. A half charge avoids interruptions. Once done, open Settings right arrow Bluetooth and keep your device unlocked. Place the AirPods in the open case next to the device and lift the lid. This triggers the pairing animation. Tap Connect when prompted. This exchanges authentication keys so audio streams securely. Make sure to accept any on-screen prompts for Siri and Find My during this first pairing to enable features and location tracking. Once paired, you customize how the AirPods behave using the Bluetooth eye icon. Assign play/pause or Siri to each ear and set press sensitivity. You then check physical fit, run the ear tip fit test, or move the stems until voice and bass sound balanced, because Seal affects noise control and microphone clarity. Next, enable automatic switching and spatial audio where useful. These settings route sound between devices and create a more immersive experience, so make sure they match how you plan to use the AirPods. You use taps or presses to manage playback and calls. Learn which gesture triggers Siri and how to answer or hang up quickly. Make battery checks part of your routine via Control Center, and remember the case stores multiple full charges so daily top-ups are easy. If audio cuts or pairing fails, reset by placing AirPods in the case and holding the rear button about 15 seconds until the LED flashes, then repair. That reset clears faulty settings and usually fixes persistent connectivity issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.